What's up, mananap? It's another day, it's another movie. Dili na mag-vlog karon, kundi movie ni siya. Tanaw lang mo ha. VG's Musics, play!
In the ATL, that's my homeboy. Watch your back if you're gonna walk alone, boy. Cause everybody in the homeboys tryna get rich. You could get hit even if you know 'em, boy. We the kings of the South. Pies in the oven, grills in the mouths. Count stacks is a usual norm. College Park, bank here where the hustle was born. So peace up and A-Town down.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Hey boys, come here. Remember what I told you in the locker room? No low blows, no headbutts. Keep this fight clean and protect yourselves at all time. Touch gloves. Okay.
Jose Aldo. Ready? And we are underway. Continue the 3-5-minute rounds. White trunks for Baltimore.
Hoy, hoy!
Black trunks for striking style. There's a lot of wild kicks. Ground game as well. Wow. He is getting off some huge punches here.
Sige pa, Noel!
Sige, jab! Di mo siya, jab! Patya! Hoy, patya!
Big right hand. Always ready.
Noel!
Jab! Di mo
Sige,
siya!
Noel!
Oh! Hoy! Oh!
Ako na si McGregor!
That's another big lifting job. I don't know how many.
Oh!
mga jammers, cheer kayo ang movie karon no. So adit na siya vlog bay. Kung hindi movie to, cheer kayo niya. Kabulong ang mga jammers na how many takes gito among suot-suot tubuhubo na ako nya kapoy kay to mga jammers nya. Sige lang kay okay naman gapon na kay parang abra sa inyo. Woo! Sa ato dai sa ato. Woo! Mga jammers so cheer kayo no. Nya shout out dai bay Alexis Bravo tag-iya sa balay awa mo na yang balay. Shout out Alexis Bravo, salamat kay Alex sa mga combination. Onya, sa akong editor bay, amo tong editor. Wala pa na ako shoutout na akong editor. Mo niya akong editor bay. Woo! Ayan rin yun! Muna editor, so salamat kayo sa inyo guys. Mga jammers, so till the next vlog, bye-bye!